Hi guys! I'm back! Ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay ang 8 planets ng solar system. First, Mercury. Mercury is the smallest and closest planet to the Sun. It is also the fastest planet to revolve the Sun. Second, Venus. Venus is the hottest and brightest planet. It is also known as the Earth's sister. Earth's sister kasi halos magkasinlaki sila. O, diba? Diba? Third, Earth. Earth is the only planet that can support life, just like humans, plants, and animals. 70% is water. 30% is land. Mars. Mars is also called the red planet because of the rusty iron on the ground. Fifth, Jupiter. Wow, so big! Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. It's a gas giant. It is made mostly of hydrogen and helium. Sixth, Saturn. Saturn has beautiful rings. It is made up of dust, rocks, and ice. 7. Uranus. Uranus is an ice giant. It is the only planet that spins on its side.